Pretty much Amazon's going to implement new features that makes it easier for developers to run an Avalanche node through that AWS marketplace. At the time of writing this video, the current price of AVAX is at $17.50. It's currently ranked number 17 on market cap for coin.marketcap.com, and considering that the all-time high for AVAX was still at over $150, I think it's safe to say that this crypto is on a massive sale. If you do happen to add some AVAX to your portfolio at around current prices, if it does return back to the all-time high that we've seen before this partnership, you'd be getting an ROI of over 750%. So the fifth and final crypto on my list, ladies and gents, this is gonna be boom, 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 Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom is gonna be the native utility and governance token of the Cosmos Hub.